Have you ever gazed at the night sky filled with countless stars, each one twinkling a beacon of light in the vast darkness, sparking curiosity and wonder? Now, imagine exploring a different kind of universe, the vast and exciting universe of code. A universe where the only limit is your imagination. In this universe, you have the power to create, to innovate, and to build the future. Every line of code you write is a step towards something new, something extraordinary. The beauty of the code universe is that it's open to everyone. It doesn't matter who you are or where you come from. If you have the passion, you can be a part of it. You don't need a rocket ship or a telescope. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn. All you need is curiosity, a passion for learning, and the drive to explore. With these tools, you can unlock the doors to endless possibilities. Just like the cosmos, the world of coding is full of mysteries to uncover, challenges to overcome, and breathtaking discoveries to be made. Each problem you solve is a new star in your coding constellation. A journey into the heart of the code universe with Microsoft Code Cubicle 2.0. Here you'll find a community of like-minded individuals, all eager to explore and create. So, are you ready to start your adventure? Microsoft Code Cubicle 2.0 is more than just a competition. It's an opportunity to dive deep into the world of coding, where innovation meets collaboration. It's a launchpad for your coding aspirations, a place where your skills are put to the test and your creativity knows no bounds. A platform to transform your ideas into reality, where every line of code you write brings you closer to your dreams. And a vibrant community of like-minded individuals eager to connect and collaborate, sharing knowledge and pushing each other to new heights. Picture this: you surrounded by fellow coding enthusiasts, all fueled by the thrill of the challenge, the excitement palpable in the air, the aroma of delicious food wafting through the room, keeping you energized and ready to tackle any coding challenge that comes your way, and the promise of incredible prizes. Sounds exciting, right? Imagine the joy of seeing your hard work pay off. Microsoft Code Cubicle 2.0 offers you the chance to immerse yourself in the world of coding, to live and breathe code. You'll learn from industry experts, gain valuable experience, and build a network that will support you throughout your career. And compete for a prize pool of 3 Lakh rupees, a reward that recognizes your dedication and skill. But it's not just about the competition, it's about the journey, the camaraderie, the friendships you'll forge, and the memories you'll create, and the growth you'll experience along the way. So, are you ready to level up your coding skills and be part of something extraordinary? We are living in a world increasingly driven by technology. Every day, new innovations are transforming the way we live, work, and interact with each other. From the smartphones we use to stay connected with loved ones and manage our daily tasks, to the apps that simplify our lives and the software that powers our businesses, code is everywhere. It's the invisible force that shapes our digital experiences. And those who can write and understand code will be the architects of our future. They will design the systems and solutions that will drive progress and innovation. Microsoft Code Cubicle 2.0 is designed to empower the next generation of coders. This initiative aims to provide the tools, resources, and support needed to succeed in the tech world. The program welcomes anyone with a passion for technology, regardless of their background or experience level. It's an inclusive space where everyone can learn and grow. Whether you're a seasoned programmer looking to sharpen your skills or just starting your coding adventure, Code Cubicle 2.0 has something for you. It's a place where beginners can find their footing and experts can push their boundaries. This program isn't just about learning to code, it's about fostering a mindset. It's about learning to think like a coder, to approach problems with a logical and analytical mindset. It's about developing the problem-solving skills, the creativity and the resilience needed to thrive in our rapidly evolving technological landscape. Join in this exciting journey and become a part of the coding revolution. Together we can shape the future of technology.